This video will demonstrate how to install the Albi Aqua. Before you begin, inspect the shipping carton for damage. Note any damage on the freight bill. Next, remove the straps and pull cardboard cover away from unit. Verify the serial number on the box and the unit match. The box will contain the unit, instruction manual, power cord, and 6 separate feet for the bottom of the unit. Carefully place the Albi unit on a stable surface and inspect for shipping damage. Move the unit into place after inspection. It will be difficult to move the unit later after water for the chiller has been added. Review the specifications tag for information pertaining to voltage, refrigeration charge, as well as the water and CO2 pressures. Review the danger and caution statements on the unit as well. The Albi Aqua unit has connections at the top front of the unit for still, recirculation return, recirculation flow, and soda, as well as a carbonator pump timeout indicator light. The Overflow Discharge is located at the bottom front of the unit. Install the 2 smallest legs on the bottom of the unit along the front side and the medium-sized legs along the rear. Install the 2 largest legs on the bottom to support the center. To access the ice bath, remove the top cover by removing 2 screws from back of unit. Push the top cover towards the rear of unit and lift up. Next, remove the red cap and using a funnel, fill the ice bath with water. Do not overflow. Water level should be 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from the top of the stainless steel plate. Next, check the electrical connections by removing 2 screws and the electrical cover. Make sure connections do not come loose during shipping, paying special attention to the carbonator pump connection. Reinstall the electrical cover. Make sure the cover is secure with the 2 screws. Check the location CO2 gauges and verify reading is between 75 and 80 psi. Connect the CO2 and the water lines at the rear of the unit. Do not turn on the water or the CO2 at this time. Connect the plug at the rear of unit. Do not plug into outlet yet. Make connections at the front of the unit. Do not forget to connect the overflow to the drain. Turn on the water first. Check for leaks. Next, turn on the CO2. Check for leaks. And last, plug the unit into an outlet. If the carbonator motor is not running, verify unit is plugged into a working outlet. Next, check water and CO2 pressures are correct. The carbonator timeout light can be reset by unplugging the unit for 5 seconds and then plugging the unit back in. Use a thermometer to verify water bath cools and ice bank forms. Check for leaks and verify dispensing. After verifying the water bath is cooling, replace the red cap and reinstall the top cover. For further assistance, contact Multiplex at 1-844-724-2273.